Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch IMPEX LED TV with the complaint sound okay no picture. Blank screen fault. This TV comes with a single COF panel with SM4186 Dc IC. Here, due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel, this IC goes to protection mode and doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. We can repair this panel using temporary method by blocking Gatesignals entering to the panel from the shorted side. If both sides panel Gatesignals are short, then not repairable. Here first we cut down the right side Gatesignals, but the complaint remains same, so we rejoined the cutted tracks and cut down the left side Gatesignals. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working, but always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. Anyway, that's the video. Hope you like our channel. Thank you for watching.